Well, guys, it is about that time. The show is over. I didn't film anything. 85. Cheers. I didn't film anything because they were blasting music all day, so about to get demonetized anyways. But yeah, show's over. A lot of dope cars there. Everybody's pushing their shit out. I know these people are trying to get out of here, bruh. Look at. I'm weak. Straight pushing that shit out. Oh, look. I think it's clean. But yeah, man, a lot of dope cars there. Fortunately, we're way over here, so we're kind of stuck. I want to look in the interior. That's 850. Damn. Immaculate. Sick. Wow, this thing is so clean. Damn. Damn, peep the Tesla. This thing's wild right here. Look at this. Looks like straight out of Dubai and shit. Now I can show you guys a little bit of the cars because there's no music. How about this? A McLaren? Sheesh, the SLS. These boys out here shitting. This thing's small inside. These doors are next level, bro. Sheesh. Yeah, man, a lot of clean cars. Pretty cool show. I wasn't really here most of the day. Lamborghini ETR. Well, hopefully we can get out of here soon and peep the vet. Sick. Man, this Supra, bro, this paint, this is probably my favorite paint job of the whole show. That's just so nice. I love this color. Damn. Is that a tummy tuck? Here's the ETR. Man, this shit got dusty in here. Look at this. Look, guys, it's below tech. See you. That was so gay. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage of people rolling out. God, this paint, bro, it just breaks my neck every time. It smells like corn like a motherfucker in here. Honestly, I was gonna try to hop in my car and dip, but I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage of all the cars rolling out. Very clean, I like that right there. It's nice GS. TL. Sheesh, the Meisters though. Where you get them center caps at, my boy? I need those. Excuse me, coming through. Light skin coming through. Clean. Man, that boy aired out right now. This thing's just stupid clean. Tuner. Have NGTs looking saucy. I don't think I'm gonna get everybody's car, but I'll stay for like 5 minutes because I'm trying to get out of here myself. I'm actually surprised they let people roll out this fast. And I got the carbon top on there. You guys remember that? That thing's so sick. Sheesh, look at the orange one. Black cars look so good when they're just like fresh. Look at that. McLaren. Damn, that Tesla's clean. Nice queue over there. Is that a Nismo, dog? F80, the BBS's. Sheesh. Well, you got the stang on the works. Alright guys, I'm a little cold. I think I'm gonna try to get my ass out of here now. Yo, its plate is sick. That shit like glows. The fuck? I need that. That's sick. Bumping that Cardi B. Alright guys, I'm cold. Damn. Don't take that to LA. Pretty sick. Jorge driving Lotex Evo. Chupapi muñeño. Later. I gotta take a doo-doo. Just kidding, I didn't take a doo-doo. I saved that for home. Pretty sick. Damn, Frosty, you need that hood right there. Well, guys, that is that. Tuner Evo 2022. Man, I can't wait until my G's done, the S15, my other whips, so I can start putting them into some shows. Got Gustavo over there. Yeah, I really can't wait for the G35, man. That's gonna be my cleanest car that I ever owned. Promise. Sick. Actually, warm this bitch up. She a little cold. This thing's sick right here. RB26. Ah, man, I can't wait for my RB. Damn, he has a dump coming out just like my S15. Sick ass fool. On this side too? Oh, hell yeah. That's exactly what I did on my S15. That's so sick. This thing's nice right here. Guys, it smells like straight gas in here. Like I'm about to pass out. Out this bitch. Well, that was a pretty dope turnout. A lot of clean cars. It's always cool to see some new whips. Definitely a handful of cars I've never seen before, so that's good. And yep, on the journey home, I got my shit all set up, ready. So if anybody wants to smoke or if anybody wants to give me the smoke, I'm ready. Chill out, little thick as Anaheim, fool. You know the boys are hot. That shit is loud as hell. Is that a Motordyne, dog? What's up, what's up? Damn, my boys came from NorCal. E92 gang right here. Let me hear it, dog. Got the valves closed. Oh, my boy right here in the 300. My bad. It's crazy how simple it is, but how clean it is. Just a straight body, a drop wheels. Little ducktail. Stupid clean. Well guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Nothing too crazy, man, just some chill vibes, man. Like all my videos, I'm just a chill person. I don't be with that extra shit, man. I'm not that clout chasing YouTube guy. That's not me. I'm just living my life and I'm taking you guys on the journey with me, so I don't over exaggerate shit. I'm scheduled to get my Z in the shop. Should be getting some progress started on that, man. Hopefully by the end of like next week we can have the motor in there, the turbo kit on, and whatever small stuff I need, I should be able to get it by next week. So appreciate you for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.